Welcome you all for the very first 3 days international conference on fintech innovations and business applications, which is organized by Dr. Mugapuri Hachindal, Department of International Business Studies, Acharya Nagarjuna University. First of all, I would like to thank all the delegates and guests who have come here to attend the validated section of the international conference. It's my privilege to invite the conference director from the Department of International Business Studies and the rector of our Acharya Nagarjuna University and also Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management Studies, Professor R. Sivaram Prasad Garu, onto the dais. And on behalf of the organizing committee, I request you to preside over this valedictory session. It's my honor to invite our chief guest of today's valedictory session, Professor G. Simhacharya Garu, Honorable Registrar of our Acharya Nagarjuna University. Sir, please come on to the dais. I respectfully invite the guest of honor for today's valedictory session, Professor Lokanatha Reddy Garu from Central University of Hyderabad. Sir, please come on to the dais and occupy the chair. I invite another guest of honor from the industry, Sri Suresh Babu Garu, the President of AI Club HCL Technologies. And sir, please come on to the dais. And sir is the head for HCL Technologies Gannavaram branch. Thank you very much, sir, for coming over here. I invite another speaker for this valedictory session, Professor Y. Srinivasan Garu, Department of International Business Studies, Pondicherry Central University. Sir, please come on to the dais. I invite another guest of honor from industry, Sri Suresh Garu, a famous and renowned industrialist from Guntur. Sir, please come on to the dais. I invite another guest on to the dais, Professor V. Chandrasekhar Garu, Honorary Professor, Department of International Business Studies, Acharya Nagarjuna University. So I request you continue the proceedings. The president of today's valedictory session, Professor R. Sivaram Prasad Garu. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.